In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Beehiiv email template step by step so you can build a reusable newsletter design you can come back to anytime. This is a really useful workflow if you send newsletters regularly and want to save time by starting from a template instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Start Writing button and click it. This is where Beehiiv lets you begin a new newsletter draft. From here, you'll usually have two options. You can create a blank draft if you want full control over the layout, or you can choose an existing template if you want to start with a pre-built design and customize it faster. If you're building your first template, starting with a blank draft is a great way to keep things simple and make it exactly how you want. Now that your draft is open, you'll see placeholder content in the editor. This is just sample text and sample sections meant to guide the layout. Go through each part and replace the placeholder content with your own newsletter text, headings, images, links, or whatever you want included in your final template. Take your time here and make sure the formatting looks clean, because this will be the base you can reuse later. Once your draft looks the way you want, it's a good idea to save it right away. You can do this quickly by using Ctrl+S on your keyboard. That shortcut helps make sure you don't lose any of your work while you're editing. After that, if you want to reuse this exact layout for future newsletters, click the Save icon at the top of the editor. Then choose Save as Template. This is the key step that turns your draft into a reusable Beehiiv template. Once it's saved, you'll be able to open it again later and use it for new newsletters without starting over. That means faster publishing, more consistency, and a much easier workflow every time you send an email. So to recap, you log into Beehiiv, click Start Writing, create a blank draft, or choose a template, replace the placeholder content with your own, save the draft with Ctrl+S, and then use Save as Template from the top menu if you want to reuse it in the future. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.